Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna make a very tasty and loaded with nutrients salad, and I've named it as weight loss sprout salad. And in between this party season, let's give our body something healthy. You need some chopped onion for this, some chopped tomatoes, some chopped cucumber, juice from 1 lime, 1 boiled potato chopped, and also I have taken some mixed sprouts and I'm gonna steam this for a couple of minutes. And once it is half cooked, take it out and let it cool down. You also need some chaat masala, coriander leaves and pink salt. Now let's take a bowl, add the sprouts, add in the chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, potato and cucumber. Now let's add in the lime juice, salt. Here I've used Himalayan pink salt, some chaat masala and some cilantro or coriander leaves. Now take 2 spoons and mix it up. And that's it. Our delicious, super healthy sprout salad is ready. This super healthy salad is so filling and very tasty. You can also add in some roasted peanuts, and even sesame seeds goes very well with this. So definitely try this weight loss sprout salad and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out.